In this video, we're going to cover how I profit from online casino offers and the exact strategy I use. So stay tuned. Welcome to Rich Money Tips, where we show you how to save, earn and grow your money. In this video, we're going to take a look at online casinos and game sites and how we can use their offers, take advantage of those to make an expected profit over the long term. Now, you're probably aware or know of casinos that are out there. Casinos host a number of different games, such as slot machines, games like blackjack, roulette, and various other ones. And as well as casinos in real life, there are hundreds of online casino sites that we use. Now, before we carry on, I do need to say that this is not risk-free, and there are no guaranteed profits or guaranteed no losses. I'll explain exactly what we do, the idea behind it and the strategy, and over the long term, it will lead to consistent profits. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you're getting value from it, if it's helping you, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see further updates, and it helps us grow. So first of all, some people might say that online casinos are rigged. Now, they actually need to be all audited. So all online casinos are audited to ensure that there are no unfair algorithms at play. Now, you might win, you might lose. That's just the nature of the game. Now, we actually use this alongside match betting. So what we do here is use our profits from match betting to put towards the casino offers to in turn make that long-term profit. Now, we don't use any money that we would otherwise use for bills or food or anything like that. It needs to be money that you can afford to lose because there are no guarantees here. I do really hope I've explained the risk, and now I've done that, let's move forwards. Now, the first thing to explain is how casinos actually make their money. Now, this is something what we call a house edge. And you might know about this, you might not. I'm going to cover it anyway. If you know about it, you can read on or skip to the next section. So the house edge. Now, normally on, say, slot machines, and the house edge, which means how much the casino have over the players, it's always in their favour, is around 5%. So that means that for every £100 that is spent on the machine will pay out an average of £95. So the £5, the 5%, is the profit for the casino, which is how they can profit over the long term. So let's take another example. Let's say maybe roulette. I won't get into all the details, but in the game of roulette, you would make a selection of either a single number, a group of numbers, or odds or evens, something like that. And there are 37 numbers, so from 0 to 36, there's a green, which is number 0, 18 red numbers, 18 black numbers, different odds for different selections, and there's always going to be a house edge. And that's how the casinos can win over the long term. They know over hundreds of thousands of bets that they will have that small edge, which makes them profit. And so the big question is, how can we beat them? How do we make money over the long term if they have that edge over us? For casinos, they want people to play with them. To get people to play with them, they entice them in with offers. And by being smart, by having a strategy, we use these offers against them. These offers can be in the form of free spins. It can be free cash. It can be risk-free, sort of like money back if you lose some, and things like that. When we play with a casino with a certain offer, we have to calculate how much that offer is worth and how much of an edge that gives us. This is what we call expected value. This is very important because this determines which offers we do. Now, expected value is the amount of money that we're statistically and mathematically expected to return over time. This offer changes the edge from a -5, which is for the casino, into a plus. Then we're expected to make money from completing hundreds of thousands of these offers. And these are the offers we do. And if you're not really good at maths, please don't worry. We use calculators, we use guides, we use help to help us calculate this all. And we just have to complete them and go through as many as we can, which is the strategy behind it. Any offer that is a plus expected value, we complete, because over the long term, we're expected to make a profit. Now, there's always the question of what if we consistently lose money? Now, this is where a very important thing called variance comes into play. You have to remember that the expected value, or the EV, is based on probabilities. Okay, so nothing is guaranteed. If you have something that is plus EV, expected to make a profit, but you could make a loss. An easy example would be a coin flip, where the odds are 50-50 in either way. So you're expected to win one, lose one, win one, lose one, if you were betting the odds, maybe heads coming out all the time. Now we know that it might not happen. You might have a row of maybe 10 against you. This is what we call variance. Okay, so we would lose 10, but over the long term, we're expected to win half of them and lose half of them. So this is what you need to write out, and it's very important we don't get into a difficult mindset, and we're disciplined and we follow the offers and don't get into gambling. So in a quick summary, how the casinos make money, they have that house edge. How we beat the casinos, how we profit over the long term, is we use promotions attached to offers to give us the edge, us the positive expected value outcome. We complete offers that have a positive expected outcome over time, and we ride the variance. Okay, there's going to be ups and downs, but over long term, just like the casinos, they don't know when they're going to win, when they're going to lose, but over the long term, they understand that they will win money. Now, you can calculate this all yourself. You can mathematically work it out which offers to do, go in and find the offers, or an excellent service we use OddsMonkey, as you know, for the match betting. They also do the casino offers. They have their own product, their own section where they explain it all. They go through loads of guides, tell you exactly what offers are plus expected value, so a plus EV. You just follow them along, use profits from maybe your match betting, so it's not money that you cannot afford to lose. Use it, complete the offers. Over the long term, you're expected to make money. And in a later video, we'll go through, I'll show my results, how I'm getting on, and the variance that you'll be able to see over the long term. Information's in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe for future updates on how to profit, make money, save money, and earn money. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.